Hi friends and good evening. I'll just share you today's couple of things I'll share you. Earlier I had made one Excel database trading. So uh, this is for today. Okay. So what do we input here? You already know it. We take the closing price of the 15 minutes. Sorry, 10 o'clock candle. So 10 o'clock closing price was 80,856, which I have put. And when it came to Bank Nifty, the closing price of 10 minutes was 55,449.35. So here is this. Okay. Likewise for Nifty, I also have it. So I'll just copy and put it here. This is for today. So based on this, also one can easily trade without much of a pressure. Okay, because these are simple levels. All you need to do is use some any kind of a your own price action analysis, whatever you know, and then start trading. So this is 24662 is Nifty closing. Okay, let me show you that as well. So we will see whether it worked. Okay. So 24 10 o'clock, what is 10 o'clock? 24 662, you can see on the top, I think. Okay, so what has it given? This is 10 o'clock. We can even take for the first 5 minutes candle. But here, somehow, if you see, one is this is an expiry. Secondly, if you see the candle was very huge. If I had taken this, okay, let's example, we take the closing price of 24,619, 5 minutes candle. Okay, 24,619 was the. So this is the input. So it sets above 641 is the buy, right? 641. Did the entry come? Yes, it came. Did the target hit? 685 was the target. Yes, it did the target. The first target was it. But generally, first 40 minutes or 45 minutes is most of the trades. One is the candle was big, so I did not take this. Secondly, the most of the previous days BTST trades, so volatile, the market direction will not be clear. BTST trades will be there, so they would have see yesterday market was flowing going up, so all those trades would be exiting here, so all that will happen. So generally 10 o'clock is a better idea, but yes, if you want you can, but then you will have to be very quick because stop loss you have to see. Okay, for example, 641 was the entry, right? Let us put this 641 24641. Target was 24,685. I think you can all see, right? 685. I'll just make it bigger. 685 was done. Right? Now we'll go by the 10 o'clock. 684 above was closing. After 10 o'clock, 684 did not close. But yes, 6 below 640 was closing was done, which is somewhere over here. Okay. So we'll leave this aside. 641. Okay. So what we are going to do, below 640 we are going to short, right? So what happened? 585 was the first target. First target was done, almost 585 is done. 551 was the second target. Was the second target done? Let us see on that. 24,551. Yes. Second target also was done, which is good. After that, if you see, price again went back, but if you notice the good thing, it retested the exact level and has come down. It came to the same candle here, again went up, and then the shorts came down. Did it hit the final target? 24,440 was the final target, which is almost there. But the target if hit of before 145 or 2 o'clock, then I would expect this target to hit. Sorry, 24,440. If it hits before that, then possibilities that it will go much to third, fourth, fifth target also, which could have been 350. Okay, this is the thing. Now we'll see Bank Nifty. Where is Bank Nifty? Huh. So here, if you see, after 10 o'clock, 55,399, 55,399, which is this 55,399. Let me mark 55,399. See the beauty of this calculator. Do you understand what I'm saying? It broke, almost hit the second target of 55,199, correct? Second target is hit, no? 199 is done. And then reverse back, exactly same price again, it bounced down. So what will this help? It will show you the direction, the entry levels, the trend for the day. What am I saying? It will tell you what is the benefit of this calculator or uh, uh, yeah, whatever you can call it as price action indicator, whatever you want, is it will tell you the trend, the entry levels, it will tell you the targets. 1, 2, target 3. Okay, so this is the benefit of this calculator. So here target 3 was done, yes, 55,349. 55,349 was done. 55,399 to 55, sorry, 5,500, sorry, 5,500 target is done. Yes, it went much below that. But as I mentioned, if this target has to hit, it has to happen before 145. But we are happy from 399, it has gone to 5,500. Now let's come to Sensex. Sensex, I took the closing price, right? 80,856, 80,856. Now I'll copy this. There is no manipulation. I am going to entering this number in front of you. 80,000. Instead of 986, I'll put 81,003. The number will change, correct? We will take the 10 o'clock closing. 80,856. Okay. 80,856. Now let's copy this and see how this worked out. Okay. So 783 below was the sell. Sell was here. Almost the second candle is the selling started. What was the first target? 638. Did the target hit? Okay, now I'll change this. These are the levels actually for tomorrow. So anyway, so 80,000, 783, 638, and 492. 492. Second target was hit in the first itself. Okay. And then again, exactly here also, if you see, it is tested. It has gone to the target. What is this? 80,347. Target 3 is done. 80,128 also almost was done. So that's the beauty of this calculator. If you are interested, you can connect. Now, let us see what are the levels for tomorrow. Okay. I hope it does not change. I think, yeah. So now, if you see the charts here, I have made these charts earlier also. I think I have shown this earlier in my previous video. Now, don't tell me where do I find the previous video. You will find it. Where is this? Okay, live stream. Now go to the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard. You see this previous video. What was my previous video? Nifty upside or crash 23,900. This is the video. Please go through this because a lot of stocks I have mentioned which are expected more down and upside. Okay, so you can say this is a continuation. And if you see what was my trade today, my hero zero trade, it was 80,600 put. Okay, let me show 80,600 put was my hero zero. I mentioned very clearly. Of course, initially I took the call because market went up. That was around 920. Okay, we went, market is slightly bull, and then we took this 143. It went up to 250. Okay. Hmm. Hello. Hmm. Hmm. Wow. So here you see 80,600. I said this is the hero zero trade. I told very clearly this is my hero zero trade. Okay. So this, in fact, if somebody would have held till the last, is hit 350, 380 plus. So from 80, it went to 380. Of course, stop loss hit. I agree, stop loss hit. But as per my rule, I re-enter this 80 again and trade. So almost 3 to 4 times this crossed and we got a very good trade. Of course, we also took CE and other trades. So now for tomorrow, okay, let us see the lines I've got now. Now what is the where is the okay? Almost all the lines are bit of gone, but yeah. So I will share the levels now. That was the levels I had already marked. Since I had to show it to you, almost all the levels has gone now. Where is this? Uh, okay. Now, if anybody have any queries on, you can please feel free. There are a lot of earlier somebody had asked me about TCS, so let me share my view on TCS. Okay, uh, I'll share my view on TCS tomorrow. Okay, day after is Nifty expiry, so the premiums will definitely get what do you say? Uh, mm, uh, so okay, tomorrow what is that I am expecting? Okay, many of my people were asking me what am I expecting for tomorrow. Okay, so as per I understand, market possibly can open somewhere over here. Okay, there is a possibility that it will open, it will go back, retest this level, and then come down. Or if it opens over here, I expect a move down. So this is my expectation for tomorrow. Okay. The clear levels, I will share it after some time with the chart week. I think most of you are there in my channel, chart week. This is my channel. I think most of you are here and following it. So please, if you are not joined, please do join. Okay. And now give me a minute. I'm also going to open our option chain data, but uh, so where do we get the option chain data? Mm, Obsta. Okay. So let's see the option chain data for Nifty. May not require for Bank Nifty. And then we'll look at a couple of other stocks. So let's see the open interest. So Nifty open interest, if you see highest open interest at 25,000. So there is somebody who's very comfortably sitting here saying that. And if you also see 24,450 also has been written. And if you see, lot of puts have actually exited. Okay, because of panic. In fact, they would have booked profit. Okay, the faraway puts have exited. There is high open interest at 24,500. Which side? Call side. And a little bit at 24,550. See the confidence they have. And but you see the next, where is the put side? 24,400. So you know the price range now. Okay. For now, which is there. Okay. But based on this, we cannot trade. As I mentioned, market may open down, or possibility that it may open up. Let us see the Bank Nifty data also, so we'll get a much clearer picture. But I'll tell you what my understanding is for tomorrow. Uh, Definitely, I am still on the bear side. Okay, I am still on the bear side, but one upside to those levels are expected, and then a fall. Okay, I'll repeat. Tomorrow also, though I'm bearish, my Nifty is coolly sitting. Okay, I am expecting prices to move till here. Okay, and then come down. I already told that, right? Now I'll show it for Bank Nifty also. Give me a second. And then TCS. TCS, I think somebody had asked. So let me see. I'm not. But if you notice, I had already mentioned a couple of days back. TCS, Tata Motors. Oh my God, this was a big sell. Okay, there is huge selling pressure. Right, huge selling pressure. Let me remove this. There's a huge selling pressure in TCS. How? Based on charts. How much am I expecting? I'll share you. So this is done almost. If I expect a little upside, then I am expecting price to take a bit of support and test back to this range. Where? So if you are long, you can possibly look to exit here because it may again come down. Okay. So you can try small quantity you can buy here, not in options. Maybe yes, futures, but with a hedge. Okay. Not in options, but with futures you can do with a hedge. Please remember, I may also mention the word hedge. So there are a lot of hedging strategies. There are other videos. You can have a look at it. Okay. This is the view for TCS. Let us look at Infosys. Most other stocks, I think I have already done the uh, so this is the view for market. Tomorrow also, as I mentioned, I'm expecting market to move down, right? So I'll share the levels for Bank Nifty also. Give me a minute. Where is Bank Nifty? This is Nifty as I told. Okay. And let's see Bank Nifty. This is Infosys. What is happening in Infosys? You see very clearly there's a breakout, right? Very clear breakout and then up downside. So almost all the gaps have been filled here. This gap. Now a little bit of a bounce possibilities are there, yes, but provided it will not easily just like that bounce, Remember always. People, get confused when we say bounce. They go take call. Always remember on a bounce you look for sell. When we know market is bearish, look for sell, not for buy. Okay. Right now market is clearly bearish. Okay, I think your Nifty levels also I have shared, so you can have a look at those. Uh, I've shared. Let me just share you the bank Nifty levels for tomorrow. Okay, same here. I expect market a little bit of bounce and then a downside. Okay, so coming. So this is the view for today. I will make another video. I need to little step out for something. And